884. This Friday, September 18th, 2020, and we're about 9:15 in the morning. You know, it's been a choppy month. If you really look at September, other than the grain markets, you don't have trends that are really holding one way or the other. This has been what you call chop. Big time chop. And today could even be even worse, and the reason is you have quadruple witching day. So that's the day where the September stock indices, bye-bye. Certain stocks, a number of them that have options on them, those options go bye-bye as well. So you get option expiration in a number of areas, and of course the options on the stock stock indices, they go bye-bye. So you're just getting all these things disappearing on you today, and that's historically been a choppy day. On the energy markets, OPEC is still doing a pretty good job of reining everybody in, and there's talk that, in fact, I didn't even realize OPEC was meeting yesterday, to be honest, and that at the meeting they have agreed that they're going to keep current production levels in place. They may not even taper them back in December. So they're making a pretty good move to try to stabilize the markets. Goldman Sachs and UBS both came out with higher projections for energy prices due in part to that. The Conference Board's leading economic coincidence and lagging indicators came in at 1.2% versus the prior 1.4%, so a little less than the market was looking for. Lagging indicators down 0.6, prior months were down 1%. Coincidence indicator up 0.6, prior up 1.2. Where the bullish news hit you, that wasn't, I think, overly bullish. Michigan consumer sentiment, look at all these categories, they're doing well. In the U.S., I don't think we're expecting the current account deficit to do any better, and it's not. It's the highest in some 12 years since 2008 basically, and as I said, quadruple witching is taking place today. So you're going to be, it depends what point of the day you look at the markets, you could be up one level, down another. It's going to be all over the board is what I would think. That's what history has shown. Keep your eye on the gold market. I still see this market carving out a base right here. I am not in the bear camp on that at this point. Copper market probed that 310 level where we think there's some serious resistance. Now remember, over the weekend for my subscribers, they are going to be getting the weekly chart updates like this. So that's for the longer term traders, and that's something that we include with everything that we do here. And as you know, how I start you off in the morning is with my morning subscriber video. And the idea there is for the in and out trader to be looking at the market, get an idea of what's moving the markets from Asia to the US. We cover 40 charts on futures, going through the meat markets, by the way, for those of you, the grain markets. I get people that look at these and they want me to cover SLV and other markets. I do that in the Spider subscriber videos. My YouTube videos are not meant to cover all the markets that I cover in my subscriber videos, and they won't. It's that simple. But if you're looking for a trade idea, that's what this is about. And I'm going to start setting up probably next week. I'll figure out a date for our next live webinar. That'll be this month. I want to get another one in September for you. I cover the markets in this exact fashion each and every day with the slide bar, so you can get right to where you want to go as easy as you can imagine. The price of this for 30 days, if you haven't tried it, folks, come on. It's the price of a cup of Starbucks. That drink lasts you 15 minutes or so. This is 30 days. All you need to do is go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. We'll get you set up, and of course I want you to see the weekly viewpoint, because what that does is it gives you the longer term picture as to what we're seeing on these charts. I'm Ira. You have a great trading week. I'll catch you at the end of the day with our market wrap up.